Hi, I'm Mrs. Smith. Today we're going to learn about dugongs, and I think you're going to like this one. Dugongs can weigh up to 800 pounds, and they're found in places like Abu Dhabi and Australia. They eat seagrass from the ocean floor, and they eat lots of seagrass. That's why they usually can't travel in big groups. There's not enough food for all of them. It may not surprise you that dugongs are related to manatees, but it might surprise you to learn that they're also related to elephants. Obviously, it's easy to tell a dugong from an elephant, but how can you tell one from a manatee? You look at the tails. A manatee, like the one on the left, has this kind of flat beaver-like tail, and a dugong has more of a whale tail. Dugongs only come to the surface for air, and about the longest they can stay underwater without air is 6 minutes. That is a lot longer than I can hold my breath. Dugongs are sometimes known as sea cows, but their name actually means Lady of the Sea, and many believe they were the inspiration for our mermaid tales. Here's your question for your math journal. If you flew to Abu Dhabi to visit the dugongs, you would fly about 7,000 miles to get there from Ohio. And the plane you took to get there would fly around 500 miles per hour. Would you get there in approximately 10 hours, 12 hours, 15 hours, or 20 hours? Make sure to answer in your math journal and support your thinking. Wave goodbye. I'll see you next time.